Welcome to Life at Hacks. In this video, I am discussing 4 settings that you must change immediately to safeguard your privacy. Every time you use your Android phone, you might be giving away personal information without even knowing it. Everything about you is being monitored, including your location and habits. Number 1. Location tracking. Apps like weather, maps, and even shopping ones track you 24/7. But do they really need your exact location all the time? Here is how to stop it. Go to Settings, Location, App Permissions. Set apps to allow only while using, or even better, don't allow. Also, disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning under location services to stop background location detection. Number 2. Google activity data. Google keeps a log of your searches, voice commands, YouTube activity, everything. It's called web and app activity. It's on by default. Turn it off. Go to your Google account, Data and Privacy, Web and App Activity. Toggle it off. Also turn off location history and YouTube history while you are there. Number 3. App permissions overload. Some apps ask for permission they absolutely don't need. Why does a calculator need your microphone or camera? Fix it. Head to Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager. Review apps with access to camera, mic, contacts, messages. And cut off what's not needed. Number 4. Stop at personalization. Ever notice how ads follow you around after one search? That's ad tracking at work. Disable it. Go to Settings, Google, Ads, opted out of ads personalization. Also reset your advertising ID while you are there. Your Android phone doesn't have to be a spy in your pocket. Take control, clean up your settings, and protect your privacy. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment below, privacy matters, if you are making the changes today. And don't forget to subscribe for more Android safety hacks.